Hi, in front of me is Umidigi S3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll all the way down, click on System and select Languages and Input. Now Virtual Keyboard and keyboard that you're currently using, in my case Gboard. Go into Theme and click on the plus sign under My Themes. Over here you can pick a photo, pinch it to scale, and drag it to move. Then click Next, adjust brightness and tap Done. Lastly, tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them and click Apply. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!